In this video, I'll show you how to release neck and shoulder tension in just 83 seconds. Hey, I'm Ethan. I teach Feldenkrais on YouTube. I'm excited to share this exercise with you. Super simple. Okay, you ready? Something super easy. Okay, so start by just comparing your two shoulder heights. See if one shoulder feels a little bit higher than the other shoulder. And if you're not sure, you could just guess. All you want to do is have one shoulder that you think might feel a little bit higher than the other one. If I feel for myself, feels like the left shoulder, the left shoulder feels a little bit higher. Another thing you could do is you could check the distance between the shoulder and the ear. On my left side, it feels like my left shoulder is closer to my left ear than my right shoulder is to my right. So whichever shoulder feels higher for you right now, just pick that one. Okay, so what you're gonna do, this is the only thing in this exercise, you're gonna very slowly, start to lift that shoulder just a little bit more in the direction of the ear. Just take your time, just take 15 or 20 seconds. So you're slowly moving the shoulder up. And then it doesn't have to go to the end of the movement. When it's somewhere you can leave it there, just stop for a moment with the shoulder high. And as you wait there for a moment, see if you can feel all the effort that it takes to keep the shoulder up. You know, there's effort in the shoulder itself, but also effort in the neck, effort in the back, the side, maybe the face. Good, and then just as slowly as you took it up, start to let it go back down. So this is a process of lowering the shoulder. You feel how it travels down the direction of the ground until it gets to the bottom, where you can just completely relax, let everything go. Okay, so now come back and check the two shoulder heights. What happened? Any shift? For me, it feels like my left shoulder is lower than it was, but also lower than the right shoulder now. And I'm guessing whatever shoulder you worked with, you're feeling something there. Lower, farther away from the ear, more relaxed, more released. So if you're feeling a difference, what do you think happened here? I mean, you didn't do very much. Move the shoulder a little bit, but you didn't stretch it, didn't take any muscle relaxant, barely did anything. It's actually not that hard to understand. Basically 5 things happened. First, you clicked this video, which probably means you're experiencing some tension in your neck, your shoulder, somewhere. And you're also open to trying something that would fix that, so that's good. Second, and this is where the magic kind of starts, you did a little bit more of something that you were already doing. One shoulder was high and we made it go even a little higher, which might feel kind of counterintuitive, right? There's enough tension already. Why would you put more tension into the system? But the secret strategy here is you brought more awareness into the movement. And that's the third thing. You felt the effort while you were doing the movement, and that kind of set you up for the fourth step, which is that you stop doing the movement. When you stop doing the movement, then some of the effort could also stop. And then finally, the fifth step was that you paused for a moment and felt whether or not there was a change. And if there was some shift, you had a second to realize, whoa, something actually happened. So overall, you could say this is a process where you bring awareness to an unconscious movement habit. And that's kind of the point of this video, is that it's really nice to have a way to do this. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. Please leave any thoughts or questions down in the comments below. Like the video and subscribe if you'd like more. We'll see you in the next video.